So the way you must have understood that how we have to do the practice. So we have to change the first question in all the tenses, and then we will just take the next question, and we have to cover all the questions today. Okay? So we will start from one side. हम एक तरफ से शुरू करेंगे, ठीक है? And how are you feeling all? You must be feeling good, feeling comfortable. Okay, so we'll start from one side. So we'll start from this side. So you have to just ask the first question. Do you take medicine? The first question is, do you take medicine? Answer. Affirmative answer.
I take medicine.
Negative answer.
No, I do not take medicine.
I do not take medicine. Present continuous.
Are you taking medicine?
Yes, I am taking medicine.
Yes, I.
Negative answer. Negative
yes,
answer.
I not.
No, I am not.
I not take medicine.
I am not taking medicine.
Have you taken medicine?
Have you taken medicine?
Yes, I have taken medicine.
Negative answer.
No, I have not taken medicine.
I have not taken medicine.
Did you take medicines?
Affirmative. Did you take medicine?
Yes, I took medicine. No, I do not.
Negative.
No, I did not took medicine.
I did not.
Took medicine.
I did not take medicine. First form. I did not take medicine.
Take
First
medicines.
form.
Were you taking medicine?
Were you taking medicine? Affirmative answer.
Yes, you are taking medicine.
Were you taking medicine?
Yes,
I was.
Yes, I was taking medicine.
I was taking medicine. Negative.
I was not taking medicine.
I was not taking medicine.
Had you taken medicine?
Had you taken medicine? Had you taken medicine? Affirmative answer. Yes,
Yes,
I had
I
taken
had
medicine.
taken medicine.
Negative.
No, I had not taken medicine.
I had not taken medicine.
Will you take in medicine?
Will you
Take medicine.
take medicine?
Yes, I will take medicine.
I know.
No, I will.
No, I will take medicine.
I will not.
I will not take medicine.
I will not take medicine.
Will you have taken medicine?
Will you have taken medicine?
Will you be होगा?
Future continuous.
Will you be taking medicine?
Will you be taking medicine?
Yes, I will be taking medicine.
I will be taking medicine. Affirmative answer.
I will. No, I
Negative
will.
answer. You have given
I-
affirmative.
I will not.
No, I will.
No, I will not take.
I will
medicine.
not be.
Not be take medicine.
I will not be taking medicine.
Taking medicine.
Will you have taken medicines?
Will you have taken medicine?
Yes, I will have taken medicine. No, I will not have taken medicine.
I will not
So see,
have.
see,
No, I
gives
will
both
not
answers.
have taken medicine.
I
have.
I will not.
I will not have taken medicine.
I will not have taken medicine.
Will they have taken
So now
medicine?
you have to take the next question. Do you write medicine? Ask the question.
Do you write medicine?
Yes, you are right medicine.
You
You are.
you are right medicine. You write medicine.
You right medicine.
Yes, I write medicine.
Negative answer.
I don't write medicine.
I don't write medicine.
Are you writing medicine?
Are you writing medicine? Affirmative answer.
Yes, I write
I
medicine.
am
I am
writing medicine.
writing medicine.
No, I am not writing medicine.
Next question, present perfect. Have you
Have you
राइट की थर्ड फॉर्म रिटन होती है.
Have you
Have you
written-
written medicine?
have you written medicine?
Yes, I have written medicine and no, I.
No, I have not written medicine.
Past indefinite.
Yes, I.
Past indefinite question.
Yes.
Do you write
Do you
medicine
write
को past indefinite में बनाना है.
Yes.
Did you?
Did you write?
Did you write medicine?
Yes, I wrote medicine.
I wrote medicine.
No, I did not write medicine.
I did not write medicine.
No, I have.
Past
not.
continuous. Past continuous.
Sorry, sir.
Were you
Were you
writing?
right taking medicine?
Were you writing medicine?
Yes, I was writing medicines.
No, I was not writing medicine.
Had you taken medicine?
Had you
Taken medicine.
taken नहीं है, right है.
Sorry, written message.
Had you written medicine.
Yes, I had written medicines.
Yes, I had not written medicine.
I had not written medicine.
Will you write medicine?
Will you write medicine?
Yes, I will write medicine.
I will write medicine. Future continuous. Then story negative answer. I will not write medicine. You have given an affirmative, negative. Affirmative.
I will not
Write
write
medicine.
medicine.
Future continuous. Will you?
Will you
Will you be writing medicine?
be writing medicine?
Will you have?
Affirmative answer. Affirmative answer.
Will you?
Affirmative answer. Will you be writing medicine? Affirmative answer.
Yes, I will be writing medicine.
I will be writing medicine.
No, I will not be writing medicine.
Future perfect. Future perfect.
Do you?
Will you?
Will you write?
Will you have?
Will you have written?
Write की third form written.
Written.
Will you have written medicine?
Yes, I will have written medicine.
No, I will not have written medicine.
Which tense? Completed all. Now you have to ask the next question. Do you bring medicine? Answer the affirmative answer. Do you bring medicine? Yes.
Yes,
I bring
I bring
medicine.
medicine.
No, I don't bring medicine.
I don't bring medicine.
Are you bringing medicine?
Are you bringing medicine?
Yes, I'm bringing medicine.
No, I am not bringing medicine.
I'm not bringing. Good.
Has you?
Had you?
Have you
Have you?
brought medicine?
Have you brought medicine? Good.
Yes, I have brought medicine.
No, I have not brought medicine.
I have not brought medicine. Past indefinite. Did you bring medicine?
Did you bring medicine?
Did you not bring medicine?
I did not. Affirmative answer. Yes, I brought
I brought
medicine.
Yes, no, I did not bring medicine.
I did not bring medicine. Past continuous.
Were you bringing medicine?
Yes, I did not.
I was.
Did not. Yes,
Bringing
I was
medicine.
bringing medicine.
Negative.
No, I was not bringing medicine.
Had you brought medicines?
Had you brought medicine?
Yes, I had brought medicine.
I had brought medicine.
No, I had not brought medicines.
Will you bring medicine? Yes, I will bring medicine.
I will bring medicine.
No, I will not bring medicine.
Future continuous.
Future continuous. Will you be?
Will you be?
Bringing medicine?
Will you be bringing medicine?
Yes, I will be bringing medicine.
I will be bringing medicine.
No,
Good.
I will not be bringing medicine.
I will not be bringing medicine. Future perfect. Will you have
Will you have
brought medicine?
brought medicine?
Yes, I will.
I will have.
Yes, I will have brought medicine.
Yes, I
No.
I will not have bringing medicine.
Brought.
Brought
I will
medicine.
not have brought medicine. Next question.
Do you help your mother?
Do you help your mother?
Yes, yes, I have. Yes, yes, I have.
I help my mother.
I help my brother. No, I don't help my mother.
Are you helping your mother?
Are you helping your mother?
Yes, I have. Yes, I help my mother.
I am
Yes, I am
helping.
helping my mother.
I am helping my mother.
No, I am not helping my mother.
Had you helped your mother?
Have you helped your mother?
No, I have not helped my mother.
I have not helped my mother. Past indefinite.
Did you helping your mother?
Did you?
Did you help your mother?
Did you help your mother?
Yes. Yes, I am help my
I
mother.
के साथ am हर जगह नहीं आता है. I did not.
Yes, I did not.
No, I did not.
No, I did not help my mother.
No, I did not help my mother.
Were you helping your mother?
Yes, I was helping my mother.
No, I was not helping my mother.
No. No,
I was
I was
not
not
helping my mother.
helping my mother.
Past perfect. Had you
Had you helped my mother?
your mother?
Your mother.
Yes, I had helped my mother.
No, I had not helped my mother.
Future indefinite.
Yes,
Will you?
will you help my mother?
Will you help your mother? Will you help your mother?
Yes, I will help my mother.
No, I will not help my mother.
No, I will not help my mother. Next. Future continuous.
Will you be helping your mother?
Will you be helping your mother?
Yes, I will be helping my mother.
No, I will not be helping my mother.
Future perfect.
Will you have helped your mother?
Yes, I will have helped my mother.
I will have.
Not helped my mother. I will not help my
I will not
mother.
have helped my mother. I will not.
I will not
have helped my mother. The next question I will ask. Do you lisp?
Yes, Yes. Do you wash your?
Do you lisp? I am asking question. Answer affirmative. Do you lisp?
Yes, I am lisp.
I am lisp.
Yes, I lisp.
I don't lisp.
I don't lisp.
Are you lisping?
Are you lisping? Yes.
Yes.
I am lisping.
lisping.
I am.
I am lisping.
No, I am not listening.
I am not lisping.
What you lisped?
Have
Have you lisped?
lisped.
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 Yes, I have lisped.
No.
No, I have. No, I don't.
I
lisp.
have
I have
not lisped.
Not lisped.
Did you lisp?
Yes,
Did you
Lisp.
lisp?
Yes, I lisped.
I lisped. Negative. No.
No,
I did not
I did not listen.
lisp.
Were you lisping?
Were you lisping?
Yes, I am
I
lisping.
was.
I was.
Yes, I was lisping.
I was lisping. Negative.
No, I was not lisping.
Have they lisped? Had they lisped?
Have they
Lisped.
lisped?
Lisped.
Lips नहीं lisped.
Lisped.
No, they had not lisped.
Affirmative or negative?
Affirmative. Next question.
Do you stammer?
Not do you stammer. Future indefinite.
Will you lisp?
Will you lisp?
Yes, I will lisp.
I will
Lisp.
lisp. No.
No,
I will not.
I will not
Lisp.
lisp.
Future continuous. Will you be? Will you be lisping?
Will you be lisping?
Yes, I will be lisping.
No, I will not be lisping.
Yes, I.
Next
Yes,
question
I-
you have to ask in future perfect.
Yes,
Future perfect. Will you have
Will you have
lisped?
Yes, I will have lisped.
No, I will not have lisped.
I will not have lisped. The next question. Do you stammer? Answer. Affirmative answer. Do you stammer? Yes.
Yes.
I stammer.
I stammer.
Stammer means होता है फलाना.
No, I don't stammer.
Did you stammer?
Did. Are. Past. Present continuous.
Are you stammer?
Are you
Are you stammer?
stammering?
No, I'm not stammering.
Yes, I am stammering.
Yes, I am stammering.
No, I am not stammering.
Present perfect.
Has he? Has he stammered?
Has you?
Has he?
Have you?
Have you stammered?
Stammered.
Yes, I have stammered.
No, I have not stammered.
I have not stammered. Past indefinite. Did you stammer?
Did you stammer?
Yes.
No, I did not stammer.
Affirmative answer. Yes, I stammered.
Yes, I stammered.
No, I did not stammer.
I did not stammer.
Were you stammering?
Were you stammering?
Yes, I
was.
I was stammering.
I was stammering.
No, I was not stammering.
I was not stammering.
Had you stammered?
Had you stammered?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I had stammered.
I had stammered.
Stammered.
No, I had not stammered.
I had not stammered.
Will you stammer?
Will you stammer? Good.
Yes, I will stammer.
No, I will not stammer.
Future continuous.
Will you be stammering?
Yes, I will be stammering.
No, I will not be stammering.
Future perfect. Will you
Will you
have stammered?
have stammered?
Yes, I will
Have
have stammered.
stammered. Good.
No, I will not have
Stammered. I will not have stammered.
So which question?
Next question. Do you wash your clothes?
Do you wash your clothes?
Yes,
I wash my
I
clothes.
wash my clothes
every day.
Everything. No, I don't wash my clothes.
I don't wash my clothes.
Are you washing your clothes?
Are you washing your clothes?
Yes, I was.
I am.
I am washing
My clothes.
No, I am not washing my clothes.
Have you washed your clothes?
Have you?
So have you washed?
Have you washed?
Yes, I have washed my clothes.
No, I have not washed my clothes.
Did you wash your clothes?
Did you wash your clothes?
Yes, I washed my clothes.
No, I did not wash my clothes.
I did not wash my clothes. Past continuous. Were you washing?
Were you?
Washing your clothes. Answer.
Yes, I am washing.
I was
I was
washing my clothes.
washing my.
No, I was not washing my clothes.
I was not washing my clothes.
Had you washed your clothes?
Yeah, did
Yes.
Yes,
I
I
had.
had
I had washed my clothes.
No, I had not washed my clothes.
Will you wash your clothes?
Will you wash your clothes tomorrow?
Yes, I had washed.
I will.
I will wash
My clothes.
No, I will not wash my clothes.
Will you be washing your clothes?
Will you
Be washing your clothes?
washing your clothes?
Yes, I will be washing my clothes.
No, I will be not washing.
I will not be.
not be washing my clothes.
I will not be washing my clothes.
Will you have washed your clothes?
Yes, I will have washed my clothes.
No, I will not have washed my clothes.
I will not have washed my clothes. So now you have to change these questions in present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous, and you have to use time also. Okay, so we'll start from here. Change question number first. Do you take medicine in present perfect continuous? One question you have to change in one tense only.
Have you been taken medicine since 2 hours? For 2 hours.
Yes, I have. Yes, I had been taking medicine.
I have been.
Yes, I have been taking medicine for 2 hours.
No,
Negative.
I have not been taken medicine for 2 hours.
Taking medicine.
Taking medicine for 2 hours.
Past perfect. Same question in past perfect.
So question.
Question: do you take medicine?
Had they been taking medicine since
Past.
yesterday?
Had they been
Taking medicine since yesterday?
since yesterday? Yes.
Yes, they had taken medicine since yesterday.
They had not taken medicine since yesterday.
Next question. Sorry. Next question in present perfect continuous.
Have you been taking medicine since childhood?
Have you been taking medicine since childhood? Yes. I have been taking medicine since childhood. So I just answer his question.
Yes, I have.
Negative. No, I have
No, I have not been
taking
taken
medicine
medicine.
since childhood. Past perfect.
Question:
Question. Second question.
Had you returned medicine?
Had you
Returned.
had you been
Had you been
Writing.
writing medicine?
time for
For
2
2
days?
days.
For 2 days.
Yes, I had been writing medicine for 2 days.
I know.
No.
I know.
No, I
know
had
I had
not been
not be taking medicine.
Writing medicine.
Writing medicine and
For
since-
2 days.
For 2 days.
Next question. Present perfect.
Have you been writing medicines for 2 hours?
Yes, I have been writing medicine for 2 days.
So I hope now you must have understood like how you are making your mistake.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So how was the session?
Good night.
So after doing practice, then how are you feeling? So there must be some different feeling. Now you must be happy, and you can find out your mistakes also. Even some of you, just when you were speaking the sentence, so you know that how you speak. So but you must have some hesitation also. Okay. So I hope you all must have enjoyed. Okay.